What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change country or region on Instagram. I'm gonna be showing you guys two ways on how you can change country or region. So the first way, which is the popular way, is to change country on Instagram, is to click on your profile at the very bottom. Let me switch to my another account. Let's say I want to change country or region on this account. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click your profile picture at the very bottom. Now after you are on your profile, you want to click three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click on settings, as you can see. Now after you click on settings, you want to click on account, and you want to keep scrolling, guys, and you want to click on switch to professional account. Click on continue, and then click continue, and here you have to select what best describes you. For example, select education or digital creator, which one you want, health and beauty, entrepreneur. So just click done here. Now it will take a few seconds, guys, and after that you want to select business. Don't select creator, select business, and then click next. And here you can enter the business address, which is the country, and yeah, enter the business address here. So just select Los Angeles, California, the zip code. I don't know the zip code. This is just an example. Now after you enter, guys, the information, that means you have changed your country to United States. You just enter here the address in the top here, city, and here the zip code, and then click done, and then click next. And that's exactly, guys, how you can change your country or on Instagram. Click this X in the top. That's how this is the first method. With the second method, guys, to change it, which a lot of people tried this and it doesn't change anything. They go to settings and they can see another country which is not their country, and you want to change the country on Instagram. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to contact Instagram, and they will be back to you within like a few hours, and then they will solve your problem. Here is how you can contact them. Just three little lines in the top right, and after that, guys, you want to click on settings. After that, you want to click on help. After that, you want to click on report a problem. After that, you want to click on report a problem without shaking. After that, you want to click don't include and continue at the bottom. And here, make sure you take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of that problem where you can see the country, and then click upload, and then upload that screenshot here. Okay, just take a screenshot, or you can, if you don't want, you don't have to take a screenshot. Just explain to them, hi, I want to change my country to another country. So just explain to them that you want to change your country, for example, for example, Russia to United States, or you can just explain to them, I said here my country to another country. Just an example, guys, you can use, like, you have to select the country that you have right now on your Instagram, and then you can select the country that you want, the new country that you want to change to. So hopefully this video, guys, hopefully if it does, leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like I said, leave a like, guys. I will reply to you within a few hours.